Former students of the National Law School who were moved by the plight of migrants stranded in Mumbai raised money and chartered an Air Asia flight to take 180 people back to Jharkhand. They were assisted by IIT Bombay students and Bombay COVID Action Network in organizing the migrants who left by a flight this morning at 6 from Mumbai. NDTV Saurav Gupta sent us this report from the airport.
Who would have thought a group of migrant laborers would be able to go home on a flight? Well, law graduates, NLS, right? Yes. NLS graduates have crowdfunded the effort, booked a chartered flight on AirAsia, and finally you can see these group of laborers, at least one group here, will be flying to Ranchi from Mumbai. Priyanka joins me. Priyanka,
Hi,
this is a great effort, and what made you think of this?
So, obviously, I think the whole nation is seeing the plight that, people are going through, trying to get home in their own country. We thought, why not think outside the box a bit? I guess governments are doing what they can, but also the system is so overwhelmed. And so we were like, how do we get people home the fastest and the safest possible way? And with dignity while you're doing it as well. That not to say that there's a lot of dignity in any mode you choose to travel by, but unfortunately traveling by bus or train now in these times has been fraught with so much mishap and danger. People have not reached on time, all of that. So that's how the idea came to us.
And how many people are flying today, and where are they flying to?
180 people, and they're flying from Bombay to Ranchi, and of course they're all native of Jharkhand, and will be then from Ranchi with the aid of the Jharkhand government moved to their respective districts. One bus will only move 50 people at best. So we said, all right, if we can move 180 on a plane at the same rate, then why not? So
we know some are from Orissa, some are from Chhattisgarh, some are from Ranchi. So once you know that for Jharkhand there is a flight going in, so we gathered all these people together, called their owners also, with whom they are working. Yeah. And they said, okay, you can move on. There were many others who didn't allow them to go. So we had many in the list, but only 24 of them we could manage to, get them out of their, their owners were not allowing them to go. From Vasai area we have 15 of them. Then from Bandra, 4-5. Then from Santa Cruz, few. Total from whom I have managed to get are 24. But in the flight there are around 180 who are going together.
But let me just try and speak to some people here. आप लोग कहाँ जाएंगे? आप कहाँ से हैं?
झारखंड। झारखंड।
खुश हो?
हाँ, बहुत खुश है हम।
कहाँ काम करते हो आप?
लोखंड वाला, अंधेरी लोखंड वाला।
अच्छा, तो अगर ये नहीं होता तो आप जा पाते?
पता नहीं, वेट कर रहे थे कब ऐसा कुछ होता।
Well, to talk more about this, let's go across now to Priyanka Roy, who is an alumni of the National Law School. Priyanka, thanks for joining us. Tell us, how did you guys decide to organize this, and how difficult was it?
Hello, Gargi, I can't hear you actually at all.
Right, Priyanka, if you can just talk about, how you guys, how all of you came together to organize this flight, and how difficult was it for all of you to organize it?
Right. So it actually started out, obviously, we've all been following, the plight of these poor stranded workers across the country, and it's really hard to see. And last week, actually, a bunch of us from my batch in law school were thinking about how we could contribute to getting them, to trying to get them to where they want to be in the most efficient way. We did explore, taking them by bus, etc., because that's already been done. It's tried and tested. And we didn't really want to reinvent the wheel because we didn't want to cause any difficulties. But then reading reports on, how trains were running late, buses were not that reliable. We didn't want our efforts to go to waste. And then one of us really had this brainwave saying, why can't we explore flying them? It's a matter of actually speaking with an airline to see if we can get comparable rates, to buses. And that's really what happened. That's how the idea was born. And through a classmate, we reached out to AirAsia. They were wonderfully accommodating, and that's how it started. We started it as a initiative within our class, and then very quickly realized that we do need a wider network to get this off the ground. Obviously, for us, the most reliable one to start with is our own alumni network, and that really did us well. In a matter of a couple of days, we collected funds. We had various people doing various jobs, Gargi, because the logistics are immense, right? These are people who've been stranded for so long. They're so desperate to move that they'll try any means. So if they've been on, let's say, a database, and NGOs know that they've been on the database wanting to go home, that may not necessarily be the case 2 days later, because they would have started walking or, trying to find some other mode of transport out.
Right.
So we narrowed, and then we were thinking, where would our initial efforts be most meaningful? We know that Mumbai has a huge number of stranded workers, and it's also a very expensive city to live in. So, people were running out of money and were desperate to get home. We chose Jharkhand for the simple reason that there are a lot of people who, come from there or neighboring states and were desperate to get back.
Right.
But also it's not the best connected to Maharashtra or this part of the country. So people had to end up waiting a long time to try and get back right across the country. And that's how we actually decided on the route. And then very quickly it was sort of liaising with governments. Jharkhand government was,
Right.
came forward. They were very cooperative. They extended, all cooperation to us. Obviously.
All right. Well,
Maharashtra-
Priyanka, thank you so much for joining us and telling us about this. I hope it inspires others to help out at a time when we're seeing so much distress across the country. Thanks for speaking to us.